I'm getting ready to go up for lunch. I had the call, but I thought I'd show you the new gizmo. This is what we had, which was, as you can see, longer, and it didn't have these extra bracing in here. And this is still wiggly. I think my challenge is the only screws that I have that I can bolt into this thing are short. They only go in about that much thread, where the ones on the other side I can have longer screws for some reason. I have a countersink for these, and I may have to reduce the countersink in order to get, I don't have a long screw down here in the basement, so I'm going to have to probably order something or do something different. But in any case, it's bolted in. It's as good as it can get. I mean, it's better. It's a lot better. It rotates really smooth. It's very solid. And it's improved. It's not perfect. Also, I still found the backlash. If I stop and change direction, the piece doesn't move until into the second turn. I don't know if you can see. You can't really see it, but I can. So I'm still missing just under half a turn of motion through the nut inside. And I know that nut is a nylon, and it probably has got some wear on it. And what I need to do is replace it with something brass. And I've been racking my head to think of, because it's a cylinder with a hole in the middle of it, and it sits in, and then the thread goes through. How do I make that? A piece of brass, file it, drill it, tap it, put it in. Totally manual, everything. I don't have the means to do it automatically, so I don't know if that would do the trick. I also thought about a brass nut. If I got a brass nut, could I put it inside a hard plastic case that would hold it in position? I don't know. So anyway, I just wanted to give you this picture. I don't have it running. I'm still fitting in the last few bolts to make sure it's snug and tight and whatnot. So I'll get back to you this afternoon. I'll do another test and see if I can't calibrate this a little tighter. Okay, later.